What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is November the 6th, the 6th of November, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you real quick to show you something that I got in the mail that I want you to see. You know what I mean? So let's pop it open so you can see what it is, because I want to get it. So this what it is. What it is. Let's see what it is, though. We doing with the flow. Talk about all the things that you know. Doing here for sure. As you see, they come with it. All right. This is a westslope. It's westslope. It's a Pro 180X chest pack. So with this right here, you know how I be doing the Spartans and stuff, and I always have my phone with me. But with this one right here, I can just put it on my chest now. I can put it on my chest. See if I can do a quick one. See, now I got it on my chest. I can put my phone. I can put my phone in here. Let me see, I ain't gonna put it up. So you got a slot in here for my phone. And then this part right here is waterproof. So I can open it and close it. See, I can open it. If I open it up, I can record everything from my phone from this right here. And just close it back up if I want to. It got other slides. It got some pockets and stuff. So if I want to put my charger, any kind of like snacks, you know, weapons, bug spray, all that stuff is in here. I can put that in here as well. So I also got this right here. It's the water part, so I can hook it up and I can have some water as well with this pack. So I'm gonna try that tomorrow when I go to the park. So I'm gonna put my phone in here and see if I can record everything from the front. Also, I want to try to see how I look when I ride my motorcycle, because I'm gonna have this on with my motorcycle on, and then you be able to see like kind of like the front on a motorcycle and go from there. But this is what I got. I got this westslope. It's a westslope Pro 180X chest pack, and I got the hydration kit with it as well. So remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I'll give you more update on this later. But it do feel comfortable. So when I do my workout stuff now, it's just going to be on my chest and not in my pocket. So with that being said, I'll holla at y'all later. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Yeah, y'all.